So hi guys, during the process of electrolysis, the positive and negative ions are attracted to the cathode and anode respectively and are electrically discharged. However, sometimes the electrolytes used in an electrolytic process may contain more than one positive and negative ions, of which all will be attracted to the electrodes. So you may ask, will all the different ions attracted to the two electrodes be discharged? Unfortunately, the answer is no. The ions have to compete with each other instead. This brings up another question. What determines the ions that will preferentially be discharged at the cathode and anode respectively? The answer is simple. There are three basic factors which determine the preferential discharge of ions. These factors include the position of the ions in the electrochemical series, the concentration of the ions in the electrolytes, and the nature of the electrode. In this lesson, we will focus on the position of the ions in the electrochemical series. In this series, the positive and negative ions are arranged in order of their decreasing electropositivity and electronegativity as shown here. The rule you need to remember here is that if two cations are attracted to the cathode, the cation with less electropositivity will be preferentially discharged. Also, if two anions are attracted to the anode, the anion with less electronegativity will be preferentially discharged. Let's use a simple example to explain this concept. There are four different ions in a dilute solution of sodium chloride. These ions include sodium, chloride, hydrogen, and hydroxide ions. Sodium and hydrogen ions are the cations, while chloride and hydroxide ions are the anions. During electrolysis, sodium and hydrogen ions will both migrate to the cathode of the cell and compete with each other for electrons. So which of the ions will be preferentially discharged? Surely hydrogen ion. It will be preferentially discharged because it is less electropositive than sodium, as seen in the electrochemical series. Also, the chloride and hydroxide ions which migrated to the anode will compete with each other to be discharged. From the electrochemical series, we can see that the hydroxide ion is below chloride ion. Hydroxide ions will be discharged because it is less electronegative when compared to chloride ions. In summary, the key points you need to remember in this lesson include: if two cations are attracted to the cathode, the cation with less electropositivity will be preferentially discharged. If two anions are attracted to the anode, the anion with less electronegativity will be preferentially discharged. This is all we have for this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson.